Friends, whenever something good happens to me, something bad follows soon after. Like just now I found this note stuck to my shoes, but a little while later, on my way to the office, the heel of my sandals got stuck in the hall and now my condition is awful. On top of that, he'll make me wash his shirt once I reach the office. As soon as I got there, our boss distributed reward coupons to the entire staff. I drank coffee, threw the disposal cup and it landed straight in the dustbin. I thought something bad must definitely be about to happen. Sonam scratched her reward coupon at Shivani's suggestion and I followed suit only to be astonished.
Your coupon has Rs 10,000 on it, but how can this be possible? Because two good things never happen together with me. Just now the disposal cup went straight to the dustbin and now this 10,000. Sonam, you're speaking strangely. Looks like you're overthinking. After the boss handed out the tickets, I experienced two good things at once. Could the boss be lucky for me? Is he the prince of my dreams? Sorry sir, it happened by mistake. I didn't do it deliberately.
No problem. By the way, your entire coffee spilled. Should I order another one? No sir, thank you. Amazing. Even after such a big mistake, the boss didn't get angry. Then I decided to test his patience and tried to provoke him. When he asked me to bring juice, I deliberately slammed the tray hard. Here you go sir, try the juice. Yet he still didn't get upset. I showcased a new shoe design sample for the company.
What kind of design is this? But the boss said the design was good and decided to try them on. Oh my goodness, what are they made of? He doesn't get angry at all. Later I found out why the boss always drinks coffee in the same cup, because it's a gift from his childhood friend. Then an idea struck me. I intentionally dropped the project papers for the new deal on the ground.
Why did such an important file fall to the ground? Come to my cabin. For the first time today, I've seen the boss so angry. Sir, I did this small prank to provoke you. I didn't realize it would hurt you this much. I already knew all this and I did it to open your eyes. You always thought something bad happens after something good, but that's not true. So does this mean you were acting with me all along? Yes, to help you get rid of this wrong mindset. Whoever likes my and the boss's partnership, like this video, subscribe to the channel and comment part 2.